Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the second trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Tata Technologies, where the company's net profit is down by 10% on quarterly basis and it is reported at 170 crores. Revenue is again down by 3.2%, reported at 1244 crores. EBIT is down by 16.6% and it is reported at 169 crores, and margins are down from 15.73% to 13.57%. In term, revenue dropped over 5% to $145.3 million in Q1 fiscal year 26. Its total employee headcount rose to 12,505 and voluntary attrition rate stood at 13.7%. Now the company's outlook is optimistic about Q2 recovery and stronger second half, deal pipeline more robust than last year, the management said. The next stock which you need to look at is HCL Technologies, where the company's net profit on quarter-on-quarter basis is reported at 3,843 crores, which is down by 11%. Revenue is on a flatter side, reported at 30,349 crores. EBIT is down by 9.2% at 4,942 crores, and margins are reported at 16.3% versus 18%. In dollar revenue terms, numbers are reported at $3,545 million, which is down by 1.3%. Along with that, company announced the interim dividend of rupees 12 per share. If you look at the fiscal year 26 guidance, revenue growth in CC terms need to be around 3 to 5%, EBIT margin around 17 to 18%, and company raises lower end of the revenue guidance from 2 to 3%. Now the next stock which you need to look at is Rallis India, where the company's net profit is reported at 95 crores versus 48 crores. Revenue is up by 22% on yearly basis. EBITDA is up by 56% at 150 crores versus 96 crores, and EBITDA margins are reported at 15.6% versus 12.2%. The next stock which you need to look at is Tejas Network, where the company's net loss is stood at 1,900 crores versus the profit of 81 crores. Revenue is reported at 200 crores. EBITDA loss is reported at 1,350 crores versus the gain of 230 crores. If you look at the company's outlook, company expects stronger fiscal year 26 led by 1,526 crore BSNL 4G order, 5G and FTTX and the global partnership. The next stock is Den Network, with the company's net profit is reported at 54 crores, revenue is reported at 240 crores, EBITDA is reported at 21 crores, and EBITDA margins are reported at 8.74% versus 10.71%. The next stock is Sun Pharmaceutical, where the company settled litigation with Incyte Corp on LEQSELVI tablet, which is used for alopecia areata, and company along with that projected the fiscal year 26 focus, and company expect mid to high single digit growth, specialty products, global expansion and research and development in complex generics and biologics as well. The next stock is AstraZeneca Pharmaceutical, because company receives import and marketing approval for durvalumab in India for additional indications. The next stock is HDFC Bank, because Bombay High Court to hear CEO Shashidhar Jagdishan plea in FIR related to Leelavati Kirtilal Mehta Medical Trust. The next stock is Deepak Fertilizer, because company signed 1,200 crore regasification agreement with Petronet LNG. The next stock which you need to look at is RailTel, because company bags 264 crores order from East Central Railway for Kavach development. Along with that, you need to keep your radar on Pharma project, because company wins 498 crore EPC order from SJVN Thermal for Buxar thermal power project. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.